Imagine stepping onto an island where danger lurks around every corner. Secrets whisper through the winds, and the very ground beneath your feet holds tales of forbidden mysteries. Intrigued? Today we're diving into the enigmatic world of 15 forbidden islands and their deadly secrets. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be as thrilling as it is chilling. 1. North Sentinel Island, India. Our first stop is North Sentinel Island, home to the Sentinelese people, one of the last uncontacted tribes on Earth. Stepping foot here is not just forbidden, it's deadly. The Sentinelese are fiercely protective of their land, and any outsiders who approach are met with a hail of arrows. The island remains a time capsule, fiercely resisting the encroachment of modern civilization. The Indian government enforces strict exclusion zones to protect both the tribe and any would-be visitors, ensuring that this unique culture remains undisturbed by modern influences. 2. Snake Island, Brazil. Next, we head to Brazil's Snake Island, officially known as Ilha da Queimada Grande. Imagine an island so infested with venomous snakes that the Brazilian Navy has banned anyone from landing there. With an estimated 1 snake per square meter, most of them being the deadly golden lancehead viper, this island is a true serpent's den. The golden lancehead viper's venom is potent enough to melt human flesh, making the island one of the deadliest places on Earth. The snakes evolved in isolation, leading to a high population density that is both fascinating and terrifying. 3. Poveglia Island, Italy. Poveglia Island, nestled in the Venetian lagoon, is shrouded in dark history. Used as a quarantine station for plague victims, and later as a mental asylum, it's rumored to be haunted by the tormented souls of its past inhabitants. Locals steer clear, and it remains a forbidden site filled with ghostly legends. The island's decaying buildings and overgrown vegetation create a hauntingly beautiful yet eerie atmosphere, drawing the occasional thrill seeker despite its off-limits status. 4. Surtsey Island, Iceland. Born from volcanic eruptions in the 1960s, Surtsey Island is one of the youngest islands on the planet. Access is strictly limited to scientists studying its pristine ecosystem, making it a natural laboratory for observing ecological succession. It's a place where nature writes its own rules, untouched by human hands. The island offers invaluable insights into how plant and animal life colonize new land, providing a living timeline of ecological development. 5. North Brother Island, USA. In New York City's East River lies North Brother Island, a forgotten relic of the past. Once a quarantine hospital for patients with infectious diseases and later a drug rehabilitation center, it's now abandoned and off-limits. The island is a crumbling reminder of epidemics and societal efforts to isolate the afflicted. Overgrown and deteriorating, it serves as a poignant historical site, reflecting the public health challenges of the past. 6. Bikini Atoll, Marshall Islands. Bikini Atoll is infamous for its role in nuclear testing during the mid-20th century. The radioactive fallout rendered the island uninhabitable, and while some areas are now open to divers exploring the ghostly shipwrecks, the island's legacy as a nuclear wasteland remains a stark warning of humanity's destructive capabilities. The eerie beauty of the underwater landscape, with its sunken ships and thriving marine life, contrasts sharply with the history of devastation. 7. Miyakejima, Japan. On Miyakejima, an island in Japan's Izu archipelago, residents live under the constant threat of volcanic eruptions and toxic gas emissions. Since a major eruption in 2000, the air is laced with sulfur, and gas masks are a part of daily life. It's a living reminder of nature's unpredictable fury. 8. Gruinard Island, Scotland. Gruinard Island in Scotland was once used for biological warfare testing, specifically anthrax. Decontamination efforts have been made, but the island remains uninhabited due to lingering fears of contamination. Its eerie silence is a testament to the dangerous experiments conducted there. 9. Farallon Islands, USA. Off the coast of San Francisco, the Farallon Islands are both a wildlife haven and a perilous place. Known as the Devil's Teeth due to their treacherous waters, These islands were also a dumping ground for radioactive waste during the Cold War. It's a paradox of natural beauty and hidden dangers. 10. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra Island, often dubbed the most alien-looking place on Earth, is home to unique flora and fauna found nowhere else. Its isolation and political instability in the region make it a challenging and dangerous destination, yet it's a treasure trove for scientists and adventurers alike. 11. Ramri Island, Myanmar. Ramri Island is infamous for a horrifying tale from World War II, where hundreds of Japanese soldiers were reportedly eaten by saltwater crocodiles. The swamps and mangroves still harbor these lethal predators, making it a place of historical horror and natural menace. 12. Heard Island, Australia. Heard Island, located in the sub-Antarctic waters, is one of the most remote places on Earth. Its active volcano and extreme weather conditions make it virtually inaccessible. The island's isolation and harsh environment preserve its pristine wilderness, untouched and untamed. 13. Diego Garcia, British Indian Ocean Territory. Diego Garcia is a strategic military base with restricted access. The indigenous Chagosians were forcibly removed to make way for the base, adding a layer of controversy and sorrow to the island's history. Today, it remains a critical yet forbidden part of global military operations. 14. Alcatraz Island, USA. Alcatraz Island, home to the notorious federal prison, has a chilling history of incarceration and escape attempts. Though now a popular tourist attraction, parts of the island remain off-limits, preserving its dark past and the mystique of the rock. 15. Hashima Island, Japan. Also known as Gunkanjima or Battleship Island, Hashima Island was once a bustling coal mining facility. Now its abandoned buildings and decaying infrastructure stand as a ghost town, frozen in time. Its eerie atmosphere has made it a popular location for filmmakers and urban explorers. These 15 forbidden islands, each with their deadly secrets, remind us of the delicate balance between humanity and the untamed world. They are places where nature's power is undeniable, and history's whispers are louder than ever. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. And as a bonus tip, did you know that there are over 2 million uninhabited islands on Earth, each with its own story? Imagine the secrets they hold. Stay curious and see you next time.